Hi, my name is Josh Mintel from Moe's Outdoor Equipment and Supplies. I work at the Springboro, Ohio location.
I'm Adam Clayton from Moe's Outdoor Equipment and Supplies, and I work out of Springboro and Liberty Township.
Today we're here to talk about the new 2016 Toro Grandstand. They've done a lot of new features on this unit. The machine looks somewhat similar to the older style Grandstand, but some of the key features you're going to see is the engine is now fixed on this machine. It does not lower or raise with the deck. What that allows you to do is this engine gets kicked back a little bit, and it allows you to open up this front plate so you have complete access to all your spindles, idler pulleys, belts. The other thing they did is they went away from a greaseless or a greasable spindle, so everything is now sealed bearings with a top dust cover cap to keep moisture out. What that's going to allow you to do is basically minimize the maintenance that needs to be done to the machine, because let's face it, not a lot of people maintain the machines the way they should every week, especially when these mowers are working 35 to 50 hours a week, if not more. One of the other things they did is they turned the engine sideways. What that allowed them to do is have the muffler on the side. The air coming in from when the machine moves forward is now fresh air. It's not kicking air back from the muffler that used to be in front and basically heating up that engine more than it needed to be heated up.
They took away and they moved the parking brake into the column. There's no more rod on the wheel anymore. It's an integrated parking brake that's through the clutch on the bottom of the transmission. You've got a deck lever assist that's outside of the column now. It mimics a rider assembly. It's got a heavy-duty spring and bar. Real easy to lift up and down and lock. On the tower itself, you've got presence on either side instead of just the left side like it was on the previous units. No more proximity sensors, so that's a big plus. It's got rods going straight to the transmissions instead of cables, so there's nothing more to adjust or come out of adjustment. Fuel tank's bigger. It's got a 10.25 gallon fuel tank instead of 8. And the hydraulic tank is now inside the column up here instead of down on the frame where it used to be.
And one of the biggest features they've done is this system now uses an integrated pump and wheel motor, so you don't have a hydraulic reservoir per se that feeds both pumps and wheel motors in one filter. You actually have two separate transmissions. So what that does is eliminate all the hydraulic lines. If you've had any experience with grandstands or any commercial mower for matter of fact, you know those lines can rub against bolts, frames, anything wearing a hole with all the vibration and cause a line to go, which can put you down for easily a day.
You've got this model right here, which is the grass only model. It also comes in another model which they call their multi-force option. Basically the difference is you'll have an A-arm in the front here where this guard is, and you'll be able to take the deck off, put a plow on it, a snow broom, and eventually some other attachments that they're still working on and taking advice about. So that'll be a really neat tool. You'll be able to use the unit just more to cut grass, but more all year round type use.
Right. Once again, my name is Josh Mintel.
My name's Adam Clayton.
And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. If you're interested in a powerful and efficient stand-on mower like the Toro Grandstand or the new Toro Grandstand, if you have any questions, please visit us on Facebook or buyatmoes.com.